So there you have it, guys. If you guys have been following with my, look at local Grom rider. Yeah, so if you guys have been following my Instagram, my Snapchat, and all that stuff, then you know that I've been teasing you guys a lot with what I'm doing to the front. This is the reveal. This is Aeroflow Dynamics V4 Canard. This thing looks freaking awesome. Basically what I did to this side, you do the same thing the other side. You drill out a little hole for right here, measure it, make sure it's good, screwed that in. Then I got the base, then I measured out this side, then I drilled out this hole, made sure that it was same on both sides. Hope you guys like it. It's freaking awesome. I love it. But this is it. I do have other Aeroflow Dynamics parts on this car. I have V2 side skirt and the V5 aggressive diffuser. All these paired up, it just looks killer, man. It looks so good. It's just so sleek. It's not too aggressive, and it goes along with the line of this bumper. It just looks freaking dope. Now, if you guys are looking into getting any of these parts from Aeroflow Dynamics, they'll have these in stock on their website where I got my parts. That's the reveal. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I am so hyped on this part. I'm way beyond hyped, and if you guys are hyped too, you guys want something like this, then check out the description below with Aeroflow Dynamics. They got all the parts. They got BMWs, Fords, Subaru, you name it. Mitsubishi, GTR. They have all these aero parts for these cars, and it's not only for Subaru. So check them out, guys, if you're an owner of a different car. Maybe they'll have your car on there. If you guys are interested in aero parts that are high quality, then check out aeroflowdynamics.com. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I love this Canard so much, and I hope you do as much as I do. Peace out, guys. Stay positive, stay motivated. Subi!